In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a Google Drive folder from one account to another in our comprehensive 2025 step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're changing jobs, consolidating accounts, or simply organizing your digital life, transitioning files from one Google Drive account to another is a task many users encounter. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and I'll guide you through it with ease. Let's begin by logging into your source account, the one where your folder currently resides. Head over to Google Drive and use your credentials to sign in. This is where your folder is stored, and we'll start by sharing it with your other account. To do this, right-click on the folder you wish to transfer and select Share. Here, you'll need to enter the email address of the Google account you want to move the folder to. Ensure you grant editor access, which is important for the next steps. Once you've done that, simply click Send. This action has now shared the folder with your destination account, setting the stage for a smooth transfer. Now, it's time to switch gears and log into your destination account. You can either switch accounts directly in your current browser or use a different browser altogether to keep both accounts logged in simultaneously. Once you're in the destination account's Google Drive, navigate to Shared with Me. Here, you should see the folder you just shared from your other account. The next step is about making these files completely yours in this new account. Open the shared folder and select all the files within it. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on a Mac. Once all files are selected, right-click and choose Make a Copy. This action creates duplicates of the files, which are now owned by your new account. Finally, move these copies into My Drive in your destination account. This relocation completes the process, and these files are now fully integrated into your new Google Drive account. A critical point to note is that the copied files are now under the ownership of your new account, but the original folder and files still remain in your first account. This keeps your initial account intact while ensuring your document and file continuity in the new one. By following these steps, you've efficiently transferred your Google Drive folder from one account to another. This process not only makes your files accessible from multiple accounts as needed, but also ensures you maintain control and ownership of them. Remember, this is a valuable skill for managing digital properties across different platforms, especially if you rely on Google's robust ecosystem for your personal or professional work.